please, somebody in the chat, let me know if the audio is working, if the chat's working, if everything's working according to plan out there. And we're going to get started today because, guys, AMC's got some big news. Like that 2207 share. Who's got 2207 shares? Don't like the attitude. Matt, yeah, you do. That's why you're here. Come on now. Why don't someone promote it? I don't even know what's going on with the chat before I even get in here, guys, but it sounds... I don't know if he was talking to me with the attitude. Literally said AMC to the moon. Who? Who thinks AMC to the moon is $100? All right, guys, let's go. 14 people in here, 3 likes. Let's get this thing started. Somebody please answer me and let me know if the volume is working, if everything's going correct right now, and we're going to get started. Yeah, Crown, I don't think that 43 million shares is going to be a good idea to issue anywhere. Is your dad hedgy? No, Matt, my dad is not a hedgy. My dad actually might be watching right now, so behave now. What's up? Hey, bro, finally, somebody. Late night. How are you doing? Anybody else in here? All right, it sounds like the chat is working. You guys can... do you have a Discord? I do not have a Discord. Hearing you clear. Thank you, Celeste, for finally somebody answering. Finding you. I am doing very good today. I'm doing very good. More time to vote. Sup, bro? Sup, Breakdown? How are you guys doing this afternoon? Any tips for handling capital gains after... yeah, pay your taxes on them so the boogeyman don't come for you. That's a pretty good idea, right? Love you, Clay. Autumn, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. AA knows what he's doing. AA knows what he's doing. Okay, all right, we've got some believers out there. How's the CEO meeting? I wasn't invited to the CEO meeting. Unclear, hope you're feeling great. Jane, I'm feeling good. How are you feeling? What up, bro? What up, Ricky? I love it. I like how we get things started in here. Everybody coming in. What's up? How you doing? You missed it. No, you didn't miss it. Ty, I don't think you missed it. Jane, good. Jane's doing good. Oh, man. No, Tar Heels sold 16,000 Doge last week. What's Doge at right now? 56 cents, man. Tested 61 cents earlier. Fell back a little bit. I still got my Doge, so I'm pretty happy. Matt, I know you. Matt, you got to be sitting there more nervous than I am, right? You like fidgeting in your chair, a little nervous. What's going on, guys? I want to know one thing. Okay, let me know, Clay, bro. I made it. Nice, Jared. Glad to have you here. Went to 60 cents earlier. I know. I saw like 60.97 or something like that. Crazy. I want to know one thing. Are you guys, like, did you guys hear, or did you guys come here because you know the channel, or are you here because you saw some, like, fake news bots out there using my name and all over Reddit and apparently some other YouTube channels and all that stuff? Because I've been seeing these bots, and I don't know, like, if I should be a bot, bro, or if they're, like, clay bots, or what the deal is with these things now. I'm a little... both. Okay, yeah, I've been seeing these bots out there, and I'm like, dude, where are these guys coming from? AMC blow up along with GME and Dogecoin. Yeah, AMC, I mean, it doesn't follow GME and Dogecoin, but guys, as more things go up, obviously the market's be doing pretty well. The overall market is taking a beating today. Come here for you, bro. Nice, Jared. Clarify the FUD coming from lunch. Listen, there's no FUD coming from the channel, guys. Anything that's coming from this channel is, realistic and the truth and what's going on out there. So if you can't handle the truth, that's all that is. What caused the NVIDIA to shoot up 20% today? More people buying it than there are selling it. That would be the main reason. AMC almost identically follows. It's true. Like I said before, big brother, little brother, right? Yeah, big brother, little brother, but it doesn't mean that it has to. They're not handing, like a lot of people were saying that now Tesla is only going to go up when Bitcoin goes up because Tesla bought $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. It's not a direct correlation, but they are very well related at the moment. What's up with the AMC meeting? Socks Malone, man. I've got my ideas of why they rescheduled this meeting. Obviously, I've already seen all of the conspiracy theories out there about why they rescheduled the meeting. Yes, I disagree with these posts that you're going to see out there, but what can you do about it, right? Check my email. Did you send me another one? Big dog. I didn't get a notification. I have to check it. I can't check it now, though, man, because I stream from my phone, so I can't check it. All right, yeah, dude, I didn't get any more notifications after I emailed you back yesterday, so I didn't know if you sent one or not. Why July 19th? So far away, though. They want to give some more people who didn't vote the way they wanted them to vote the ability to vote. That's why it would be so far away. AMC's making a move. Like, I mean, I guess it's trending. If you're talking about that, it's trending up a little bit further towards the end of the day right now. So that is good news that it's bouncing back a little bit. Major mover today is definitely Doge, though. I'm very happy with the Doge position that I have. Nice, Big Dog. Nice. Yeah, guys, make sure to check out Big Dog's videos too. I know he's newer here on YouTube. He's growing his channel pretty nicely, doing very good. Speak possibilities, not opinions. Possibilities. Okay. Yeah. All possibilities are opinions, right? Call them opinions, not the truth. Yeah, dude, but I don't think listen, if you're talking about truth being the stuff that you see on Reddit, that due diligence is a lot more speculative than a lot of people would think. So keep that in mind too when you're looking at those opinions. Clay, you're the man, bro. You're the man, Chaos. You're the man. Dude is a jock rider. I don't even know what a jock rider is, West Coast. For me, 10 cents is 25. Oh, Socks, I forgot, man. You're the one. You got 25,000 shares, right? Oh, yeah. Today's 4% drop. Is that what it? 3.5% drop. Gotta be feeling it, dude. Gotta be feeling it. Good afternoon, Matthew. Just waiting for the squeeze. Hey, if that's all you want to say, good. We're all waiting for the squeeze, right? Dude, Tay, if the guy that hit the $200 million Powerball drops everything in the AMC, that would be a very nice move to the upside now, wouldn't it? It's all good time. It's good, man. Good. Because I know you got to be sweating pretty hard, even if you see little down days when it goes, yeah, Big Dog, I did. Big Dog, I watched that whole video, and then my mom is actually the one that said, oh my gosh, go check out Matthew Perry's video. I'm like, Mom, how do you know about Matthew Perry's video, but you don't even know about my videos? Amish Paradise Boy, what's living in an Amish Paradise? How are the goats? Man, no goats, just chickens. Just chickens. Yeah, she's like, you gotta go check out Matthew Perry's video. I'm like, why are you concerned about Matthew Perry's video and not mine? And she's like, oh, well, he posted a very nice video about you. And I'm like, and she goes, oh, I think I'm gonna subscribe to his channel now. I'm like, Mom, you don't even subscribe to my channel. Turn on my notifications and watch my video. Now she's over there subscribing to his and watching all his videos. Any reason you do zero technical analysis or charts? Amanda, I do technical analysis. I don't display charts because you can look at charts all day long if you want. And if you want to follow along, be my guest. Follow along. I'm not going to sit here and tell you something that's not on a chart. But if I do tell you something that is on a chart, by all means, go check it out. Do you want me to display charts? Right? I mean, you guys can follow along. I know you get your computer open. You can pull up a chart if you'd like. A lot of people get bored looking at different moving averages and stuff. Been spending most our time. Yeah, living in a hedgy paradise. Not anymore, guys. Not anymore. No more hedgy paradises. This is our time to shine, right? This is our time to shine. On your phone. Autumn. Me too, actually. Me too. I'm using my phone as well. No, dang, Socks, I missed whatever you said before. Matthew Perry, Claybro the man. Matthew Perry's a good dude. Matthew Perry is a good dude. A lot of bots. CA, what's up with that? A lot of bots have been mentioning my channel. I mean, should I say thank you? I don't know if I should tell them thank you because I get a lot of people coming here that are all nervous. So the bots seem to love me and I don't know why, but I like it. I like that they love me. Dude, talk to me, man. I'll talk to you, Sam. What's up? What do I think the price is going to get to? Marcos, I think that realistically, man, I think it's going to have a pretty hard time breaking 1,000 in my own. I'm here for you, Sam. Good, good. I feel like it's going to have a pretty hard time breaking 1,000, but that doesn't mean that it can't break 1,000, right? It's because Clay is too cool. Guys, do I control the bots? Like, if I say something good now, are the bots going to say something good? If I say something bad, are they going to, say something bad? I don't get it. Because you're in first, no, 100K, that's why they love you. Oh, guys, listen, here's the deal. Here's the deal with 100K. 100K is possible, right? $100,000 is possible. We all know that. I mean, technically any stock could reach 100,000, right? But look, in the short squeeze, 100,000 is possible, but it's very, very hard to believe that 14-year-old kids who bought $10 in AMC are going to be able to hold out that long. You know, when they see $1,000 in their account, it's going to be very hard for somebody to hold on and not take the profit. Let's say it reaches $1,000 per share, but all of a sudden it drops 20%. Nerves will kick in. What are y'all talking about? Talking about or talking about? Because there's a big difference here. A lot of bots here, right? I hope I've been about. Talking about AMC, as always, right? As always, around the close, we're talking about AMC. What's going on with the shareholder meeting? Swag, bro. Say it's possible and leave it there. Listen, if I say it's possible and leave it there, a lot of you guys are going to wait for $100,000 and you're still going to be holding your shares of AMC back down at $10 when the squeeze is over with. And I do not want to see anybody holding AMC at $10 a share after it squeezes. I want to see you buy back into AMC after you take your profits, okay? Please, please, guys, you have to pay attention to the price movement. $7,000 a share. Yes, $7,000. Joey, $7,000 a share is possible. Is that your $1 million mark? Matt Perry, listen, guys, you can wait for $100,000 if you want. Absolutely. But just know that if it reaches 1,000 or it reaches 10,000 and starts to fall back down, let's say it falls all the way back down to 300 from 10,000, you know, and you get 1 billion shares being traded, just be very careful. Be very careful. You're welcome, Joey. You're welcome. I think 7,000 would be a stretch, man, but it can absolutely reach a 7,000 mark. Adam's very strategic in how he makes his AMC plays. Yes, I agree with that, but I don't necessarily... Guys, a lot of people get confused and they think that, you know, Adam is really going to benefit from a short squeeze and all of this. Guys, it's very hard to believe that. You're 2 million. Nice, Wilma. Nice. 7,000? 2 million mark? Is that what it was? Why can't GME do it? Who said GME can't do 1,000? I don't know. Why don't I cover GME? Autumn, I could cover GME, but a lot of the focus on here is AMC, and I believe that the real play at this moment is in AMC, not like my play is in AMC, not in GameStop. Best strategy for the AMC squeeze is Angelo. Best strategy for the AMC squeeze is to ride it up, take your profit on your shares at whatever position you're comfortable with, as high as you can possibly get. And then if you want to buy back in, I see a lot of people saying that they're going to hold AMC, you know, until they're 70 years old and miss out on the short squeeze potential and all of that stuff. Please don't do that, guys. Please don't do that. Only a few shares, but any dollar is a win. There you go, Miguel. You don't, guys, whether you have 0 shares here or you have 100,000 shares here, we are in this together. Why did the meeting get canceled today? Is it magic? What? It's the magic bus. Jump on. You're saying you think AMC is going to explode before GME? Autumn, I don't know if AMC is going to explode before GME, but I believe that AMC will have a... I don't know. GameStop has a very devoted crowd as well, but the crowd surrounding AMC is focused. They saw what happened with GameStop. They know the potential for AMC, and I believe that the sentiment surrounding AMC stock is greater than the sentiment surrounding GameStop. Reddit was down. You almost sold everything. No, James. I saw Reddit was down earlier too. Maybe my bots did it. Maybe my bots closed Reddit down. I don't know. You guys can blame that one on me if you want. More text, we see more we should buy. Taco Tuesday has been a hodl all day. Guys, I miss Taco Tuesday. I used to go to Taco Tuesday every single week, and since COVID came in, I haven't gone to Taco Tuesday in a long time. I want Taco Tuesday back. Easier because AMC is cheaper as well. Yeah, look, I think a lot of people caught on with what was happening with with GameStop and the fact that AMC's, you know, a $5 to $10 stock. and GameStop was already jumping up to 150. A lot of people who couldn't get into GameStop wanted to jump in on AMC, and that's where a lot of the support for AMC came from, as we saw what happened and what could happen with GameStop, and a lot of people jumped in and decided to support AMC in the same way. No, that's not what I'm saying about diamond hand investors not being as diamond handed as they are in GameStop. I'm saying I miss your point there. Are you trying to say that I don't think that AMC could go as high as GameStop, knowing that GameStop hit like $480 a share? Stocks with $5. Man, it disappeared fast. This thing moons. We should all have a meetup in Cancun. It'd be hilarious to meet some of you. Stocks, man, I'm in. I'm absolutely in, dude. That sounds like a very nice trip to me. Stocks, Mad's down. I'm down. Cancun, I think everybody's down. I don't know if Tasha's in here, but she was saying Vegas. Dude, we could do like I don't know what you would call it. You know, they call it a bar crawl. I go to a bunch of different bars, but like we could go to Cancun, we could go to Vegas, we could hit Miami. I know Lou was saying Miami. We could go to all these different places and hang out and just like, you know, I don't know if you want to do it over a month's time or a year's time. Boom. Vacation every month. Yeah. I miss Vegas. Matthew Wood misses Vegas. That's why you're in AMC, right? You miss Vegas? Swingers party's out. No, I'm not saying a swingers party. Oh my gosh. That's not what I'm saying. Have to bring your son. Bring him. Bring him. The more the merrier, right? That's what I'm talking about, guys. The more the merrier. Cancun. He says Cancun. Anybody else got any destinations they'd want to see besides Cancun? I know Vegas. Yeah, Tasha. There's Tasha with Vegas. I knew. You probably saw me say that. The moon. We could go to the moon, guys. We could all buy tickets on Jeff Bezos's. What's his rocket called? What's his thing? What's his deal? Like space tourism? I forget what he's got that thing being called right now. Bora Bora, Japan? Yeah. I'll call Elon. Exactly right, man. We could call Bezos or Elon. We could get our tickets to the moon. How long is legal transfer? Look, low. It takes anywhere from 3 to 7 days. I see the majority of people tell me that it takes 5 days. Can't get down there yet. It's all right. We can wait for you. We can wait. We're not going to leave any man behind. Show, what's up, Show? She'll shoe. She'll shoe. She'll shoe shine. What about the aesthetics that I... What about all that? Man, I missed that full comment. It disappeared already. Love me some Coon. Perry vs. Clay with live debate. Coming soon. AMC Theater. Nice, Matt. Nice. I'll take it. Look, guys, here's the deal. And I don't want to say that I would love to debate Matt. No, I don't want to debate anybody. But dude, listen, Matt's got a completely different, I don't want to say completely, but Matt's got a very respectable opposing viewpoint on a lot of stuff surrounding AMC that I do. And I say very respectable because, look, the dude first showed up on the channel because he saw some crap that was floating around Reddit about me. But he presents his differing viewpoint in a very good way. I know that he doesn't like everything that I say, but he presents it in a very respectable way that doesn't make me feel like, oh man, I can't share my thoughts because I'm going to offend somebody. And I hope that I don't make him feel like he can't share his thoughts because, I offend him or something like that. Oh, dude, absolutely. Guys, if you got a different opinion than me, great, right? I mean, nobody agrees on everything. But look, take a lesson from Matt, man. If you really don't like what I have to say, let me know in a respectable way. Right, Matt? I mean, that's what I think. We all got our own reasoning. Exactly, Tasha. Exactly. Fast and Furious featuring what? Famous. Yeah. Fast and Furious might have some bots promoting it somewhere with my name on it, so I don't know. Matt Perry is awfully close to, I don't know. Stash by AMC, is that an okay app to use? Listen, if you want to use Stash, you can use Stash. I don't know too much about that platform. If you want to use the Webull account, you can use the link in the description below for Webull, but absolutely do it. Comments get more wild, easier down. Dude, I know. Voo, they do. They do, Voo. Oh my gosh. He doesn't know about the bidding war. Who saw the bidding war? Who doesn't know about the bidding war? I feel like everybody should know about that bidding war by now. Yeah, they do, Voo. Voodoo. Oh man. Going down the wrong path here. Voodoo. James, I saw the bidding war. James, you see the bidding war here? Did you see it on Perry's channel? Bidding war is YouTube. Yeah, the bidding war is YouTube famous, guys. That's Matthew Perry made sure of that. Matthew Perry. Even my mom knows about the bidding war. Thank you to Matthew Perry. So if you're watching right now, Matthew, thank you very much for that. On his channel. Yeah, that's when my mom saw it too. Do you believe that? Like, come on, Mom. I'm live right now. I know you get notifications and you just swipe them. So come on. Clairbo Trey and Lou vs. Wall Street, all you need to know for 8. Thank you. And look, I know we got differing opinions, all of us too, but come get your dose of, I don't know, reality or showness from me. Get the hype from these other guys and make your own decision based on that, right? New York, I watch a lot of New York Angelo. Well, I don't say I watch a lot of New York Angelo stuff. Dude posts a lot of videos, but yeah, everybody's got their own deal going on with AMC in the, I don't know, information they put out. It's good to get a little bit of all of it and then make your decisions in I don't know, judgments based on that. Found our bottom today. Listen, I hope we found our bottom, right? Heard your sellout. Who'd you hear that from? The bots or like the other bots? Which bot told you? Jackson Hunter is dope. Listen, M. James, I don't know how to contact some of these people, but if anybody wants to do one with me, man, I'm down. I'm going to have a landing takeoff, man. I hope we do have a landing takeoff. What do we, because I know we fell a little bit below support at that 950 line, but we're right back around there now at 940, so that's good. I want to see us close above 950. I know we only got 9 minutes left. Hopefully we can get 10 more cents. Matthew Perry, Big Dog wants to do one too. We're going to do one with Big Dog here. I don't know if Big Dog wants to do it on his channel or my channel, but we'll do one with Big Dog here soon too. And then anybody else, man, you know. And cool. Like, I don't care if you agree with me. We can still hang out and talk about why we disagree, right? Doesn't matter what matters is we taking the same. Yes, Ty, exactly. And guys, you can see it in the comments here. I know a lot. There's only 96 people in here, but I guarantee you probably 10% aren't even in the U.S. right now. Probably 10% of the people out of this 100 that are in here aren't even U.S. So this movement is global. I mean, no joke, the movement is global. Let's go spearfishing. Let's do it. Can't see what I'm talking about? Canada. Andrea's from Canada. That's not close to the U.S., but it's not the U.S. Ireland. See what I'm saying, guys? That's 2 right there that just actually said something. We know Tasha's in Florida. Exactly. USAF. I like it. Peru. I would not have guessed Peru, but we got Peru. Socks. Socks says Bali. Yeah, Bali would be good, right? Irish in the house. UK. There we go. France. See, all this stuff that I wasn't expecting UK and France and some of these other places. So that's just what I'm saying. There are a lot of people from all over the world tuning in to see what's going on with AMC, even if they don't have a share. Autumn. Sorry, Clay. I just wanted to ask why AMC is a solid move or solid more investing strategy than GME when the floor for AMC is 100 and GME is 1 million. All right, we can address that really quick. Look, Matt, don't get mad at me. $100,000 a share, $1 million a share. These are very hopeful numbers, okay? Both are good grabs. Yes, both are very good short squeeze plays. And I would recommend, me personally, I would recommend diversifying in maybe both of them if you would like. You know, catch both rides. You don't have to put all your eggs in one basket. But just know, please know that 100,000 and 1 million, while they are possible, yes, they're possible for both stocks. They are very, very hopeful numbers. No, Matt, don't break it. You have to buy another one, man. You have to buy another one. Just know that they're very and guys, I know when I say they're very hopeful numbers, please don't think that I don't hope they hit those numbers, because clearly I do. I want more money than less money, right? I want more money. So I am I have to balance my hope with what I can move forward knowing is reasonable. And I don't want to get caught up so much in hope that I forget, how to live life or something like that. So yes, while I do hope AMC hits a million as well and GameStop hits a million as well, I have to know that the likelihood of that is very, very small. So I don't want to get, so caught up that I'm like, well, dude, I don't need to do this or I don't need to do that, because if I just wait one more week, AMC is going to hit a million. AMC is going to hit it's just a very, very hopeful number in my opinion. And yes, while I do hope, I try to, and it's difficult, man, because I'm not trying to dash anybody else's hope, or I'm not trying to be, they called me the Grinch the other day, trying to steal Christmas. But I'm not trying to be that dude that steals Christmas. I'm just trying to be that dude that's like, well, guys, Santa Claus can only fit so many presents in his sleigh. Just keep that in mind. He's got to deliver presents to all the good girls and boys, that he can only fit so many in his sleigh. And our chimney is only so big that he can only bring so many presents. Like, woke up to a margin call on your account. No, Matt, please don't tell me that either. Don't tell me that, man. I don't want to see you get margin called. I want to see the hedge funds get margin called. Off Friday, we got to do it then. Hands down clothing. You didn't miss anything yet. A couple people in here call me shows, but that's about all you missed. Yeah. All right. I'll email you after this, big dog. If you want to kind of get together what you want to do on it, if you want to just do a end of day live stream like this where we talk and kind of do a split screen, or however you think would be best to do it. Robinhood messed with your transfer. Oh my gosh, dude. Good job, Robinhood, right? Good job. I could see it happening in that case then. What's up, buddy? What's up, Nasty? How you doing? Just got back from a run. Very nice. Was that Martin? Yeah, what's up, Martin? Hopefully your run was good. How far did you run, man? I'm going to start YouTube so we can chill. Dude, start a YouTube, man. That's what I'm saying. Start a YouTube. I would tell anybody to start a YouTube. Just don't start a YouTube if you take other people's, criticism too much to heart. Nah, because there's some people out there that won't like you. Right? Right, Matt? 4.5 miles. Very nice. Tasha, start a YouTube channel too, man. We can just all chill. We can do like a Zoom YouTube, and like all of a sudden there's 40 of us on the same YouTube channel. You have no heart. All right, Wilma. You're gonna do very well then. Should not hope or try. Just want or do. There you go. Definitely down, Wilma. That's what I'm saying, man. If you got no heart, you want to come on here and talk about what you want to talk about, I say go for it. Just a tree rat trying to get you. I do know the rest. Thanks for not setting me up today, Nasty. Thank you, Tasha. I think you got to be a little bit cold. I mean, you got to be willing to want to help people, and want to at least talk about what's going on. But at the same time, some people don't want to hear what's going on or don't care what you have to say. And they will they're very willing to express that opinion of theirs. I'm going to do it this weekend. I'll post a vid. There you go. There you go, Wilma. I like it. What the haters say, there you go. What's up, Clay, bro? What's up, Scott? How's Scott doing today? Let the haters hate, man. And you know what I like? Sometimes I think that these bots are out to get me too. I know the bots are saying that they're... Let's go down this rabbit hole for a second. Let's go down this rabbit hole. I know the bots act like they're on my side, but is it just a ploy to get more of you to watch my videos? I don't know. I believe in Santa. I love Christmas and all. Ty. Well, Ty, hopefully you got the parable there, right? Hopefully you understood that. About fell off. Watched yesterday's live stream and got home. Yeah, dude. Woot woot, hangout time with Clay. Let's do it, Cody. Hangout time with Clay. Ask any questions about AMC. Let's get the conspiracy theories trashed and thrashed and build some more conspiracies to work off of. AMC to $100 this week. Joey. From $9.40 to $100, I would be very thrilled if we hit $100 by the end of the week. Very thrilled. We never did talk about aliens. I know, dude, one time when I was a little kid, I promise you I saw a UFO shooting other little UFOs out of it. Got to get back to work. Deuces. Wilma. Work hard. And work smart. Matthew. Matt, you don't like get worried before I go live, right? You don't get all nervous about what I'm gonna say and like all uptight, do you? I mean, you seem like a real chill dude. I just don't want you to like get too worried about what I say. Market is it close? Yeah, market close. We closed at 940. Man, I was really hoping to close above 950. What does that look like? Where does that look like on the chart though? Is that very bottom? Ah, we're still good at 940. We're still good at 940. Yeah, we're still good at 940. We didn't break through no support. I like that. Yeah, well, all right, man. Good. Write your bullet points down, but don't get like don't. I don't want to fluster anybody, man. I know it looks like on Reddit, dude. I know it looks like I bother a lot of people on Reddit, and I know you guys have probably seen the posts. I don't want to bother anybody. You know what I mean? 940 is winning. Samuel, 940 is winning, man, because we're still above support there. I'm not too worried. You're selling starting at 4,000 in portions. There you go, Joey. There you go. And then ride it up to that 7,000 mark that you got. Israel posted a comment the other day, and I did a video on it. Israel. Good. Hey, and when people have questions like that, that's what I like to see, man. If you've got questions, no matter if you think they're, crazy questions or if you get them answered somewhere else or anything, or if you just want to know what I'm thinking, ask your questions, man. This is a safe place. It's a safe place for you to ask questions. It's not necessarily a safe place for me to answer questions. Yes, nasty. Yes. Long time ago, man. Long time ago. Thunder Jumper. Yes. The super sticker. If you guys send these super stickers, like I have to do what's on the super sticker, right? So Thunder Jumper, hit with that one. Nice. That sounds nasty. Dude, it was nasty. It was actually really, really cool. And I was like really little, like I was a kid, so nobody believes me or whatever, but I'm not going to forget it. Nasty. Video Q&A about the stock options with someone. There you go. 10K will make us retire. Joey, 1K is going to make some people retire, man. I know some people are sitting on, I know Sox Malone, man. He's got a lot of shares out there. He's going to be doing very well much before 1K. You're the man. Truth Channel, thank you. Thank you for not hating. Thank you for not hating. 1K, yeah, Matt, 100K, our children could retire, absolutely. Someday I just buy one AMC, but I'm holding. Nice, Scott. And you don't need to buy more than one share, guys. I know a lot of people think that they need to go out and buy 1,000 shares, but it's not the deal. I get the most information. Listen, guys, I appreciate comments like that. Don't just go off my opinion, though, Face my opinion off against some of this crazier stuff that you see on Reddit and some of the other YouTubers and all of that. And here's some good advice. Don't trust Reddit. Don't trust YouTube. Don't necessarily trust all the things that you see online either, but at least formulate your opinion based on what everybody else is putting out there, right? At the end of the day, especially when you're talking about a lot of speculative stuff, doesn't mean, there you go, man. There you go, Matt. That's what I'm talking about. It doesn't mean I'm right on everything. It certainly doesn't mean they're right on everything. But here's what I would say, man. I would say go into it thinking I'm wrong and then build your opinion based on trying to prove me wrong. Or go into all these Reddit posts out there saying 100,000, thinking they're wrong. And, come up with an idea on why they're wrong. And then whichever one you feel more convicted and feel more likely to believe in, go with that. 100K, if it hits 100, that's a massive win. That's what I'm talking about, Craig. A lot of people are going to be very tempted along the way. Here's what I hope, guys. I hope that, and I never shows, oh no, listen, I don't think Kroom or Kroom, whatever your name is, man, I know that you completely disagree with almost all of the stuff that I say. But that's okay, man. Just all I ask, guys, is if you disagree with my stuff and I don't know. I don't like the word shill too much. I don't get paid by any hedge funds or anything like that. So it's okay if you call me names or whatever. But yeah, I say just keep it respectful. So if you guys don't like something I say, just keep it respectful. Tell me why you don't agree, but don't go out there and bash people or anything like that. It never got anybody anywhere. There you go, Matt. There you go. That's what I like to see, man. You don't agree, but you respect it. And nobody has to agree, right? Because I don't agree with other people, but it's okay. I think we should all drive Kia Fortes. James, your life might improve if you drive a Kia Forte. You never have to worry about car problems or high gas prices or anything like that. Oh, Kia Fortes, good cars. Hopefully Kia puts a... Guys, real quick. I know we get off topic a lot, especially in these live streams. Videos are much more focused, so if you haven't watched the videos, go ahead and watch the videos. But you remember the other day when we very first started talking about Fast and Furious? What's happening today? What's up, Clive? We're going to be getting into it more here in a second. Remember the other day when we were all talking about Fast and Furious? Dude, I was watching one of my videos. Fast and Furious had an ad on there. I'm like, I was Google going through and like transcribing and knowing that we talked about Fast and Furious and then throwing Fast and Furious ads on my video because we talked about Fast and Furious. Realizing, hey, listen, sellout or no sellout, man, I don't want to like talk bad about any other person that's going to come on here, and people change their opinions, right? I'm not likely to change my opinion on anything. Still in Ohio. Still in Ohio, yes. I was here yesterday. I'm here today, and I'll probably be here tomorrow. Robinhood pays for cash out $2 million. Joey, I mean, they would have to pay you $2 million, right? If you cash out, cash out. It's your money. Trey's not. No, look, I mean, people can change their opinions. Like, Trey put it a good way, man. He gets some new info that he didn't have before, and he made a new decision based on that new info. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. Clip wrote nothing but positivity. Daniel, I try to keep it positive and I try to keep it real, man. Moon Gang, brother, let's go, dude. Guys, a lot of people think that I don't want to go to the moon, but I do. I do want to go to the moon. If you think that I don't want money, you're wrong. I don't want your money. I want hedge funds money. I want money that like it hasn't been created yet. I want to create new money with these shares rising. I want to take the money from them. Like, that's the money I want. Lucy's buying when it's on sale. Lucy got 12 more shares today. I love it. Scott said he picked up 1 share. Lucy's got an extra 12 shares today. I saw a lot of people on Reddit saying that they were averaging down and doing a lot. Justin Fields fan. Real talk. When prices rise, would you take profits then buy back when it goes down or hold for a squeeze, which may not happen at least soon? Martin, real talk on that, man. Let's address that. Personally, I'm not day trading or swing trading AMC. It is a strategy, okay? You could do that, but it's going to prolong the squeeze. It's going to prolong the squeeze. So the more people that are out there buying and selling, yes, you can improve your cost basis. Yes, you could, take that extra profit and potentially buy more shares back at a lower price. But it's not going to be conducive to helping the short squeeze. Like holding is much more conducive to triggering a short squeeze than buying and selling. But absolutely, I mean, it's a strategy that you can still use. Respectfully, I think it seems your show because you're bearish sentiment with bullish titles. Well, okay. I mean, I guess you could see. Do I fish? I have not been fishing in a long time, but I do enjoy fishing. Gosh, is it Chrome or Chrome or Chrome? I don't even know. But anyway, I can understand what you mean with that, man. But I wouldn't even consider it bearish sentiment. I would consider it. I don't know, man. I don't want to say that $1 million per share is realistic or a quintillion dollars per share is realistic. I understand 100,000 people have been moving that up from 1,000 and then 10,000 and all of that. Just call Crown Bob. Oh, Bob. Okay. Bob. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't view it as bearish because I am bullish on the stock. I hope that people do know that I'm bullish on the stock. I just know that I might not be as optimistically bullish or putting like all of my hope in something that is very, very like, guys, if you're, you wouldn't tell someone, and I'm not comparing AMC to a lottery ticket, but like the type of money people are talking about is like lottery ticket wins, right? What's up, Ebony? Ebony's in the house now. I wouldn't tell anybody to put all of their hope in winning the lottery. And I don't think that, you would recommend that to somebody else either. So that's kind of just where I want to say, keep it realistic, man. Yes, it would be amazing to win the lottery, those kind of numbers, but don't put all of your hope in something like that. Tasha's like, what's up? Yeah, we got all the OGs coming in now. Tasha, Ebony, Lou. I don't think Lou's in here yet. $1 million would be amazing. Listen, even $1 million in the account is going to be amazing. Like it doesn't have to hit $1 million per share, but it's going to be, guys, this is going to be good no matter how you look at it, right? I just don't want anybody, and look, I could say, please don't cut this portion of the live stream out and say Claybro thinks it's going to hit $100 per share. But even if it hits $100 per share, and starts to pull back, or the volatility kicks in, I hope that everybody makes as much money as possible out of this squeeze, whether it is $100 that it squeezes to, or it's $100,000. I want everybody to focus on the squeeze, to pay attention to the moment that it starts squeezing and make as much money as possible. Amy's here to ask Ohio questions. Amy's got her map out and she's like drawing radiuses on there and trying to figure out what's going on in Ohio. So yeah, like don't think that I'm bearish on the stock, or maybe I'm less bullish on some of the price predictions, but I'm definitely bullish on the short squeeze movement, and I do want to see IO. There you go. Yes, be real. How much I got invested in AMC. That's the only thing I don't like to talk about, is how much money I have or you have or something like that. Don't judge your email. Did you send me another one? I'm not going to judge your email, dude. I'll read what you got to say in the email for sure, but can it squeeze after hours? Yeah, Tasha, it can squeeze after hours, but I don't think that they're going to be able to cover all of their positions. Like, they're not going to be able to cover 100 million shares after hours, or, anything like that. Like, I use reported numbers. I know that a lot of people talk about synthetic shares. I use reported numbers, but they're not going to be able to cover 100 million shares after hours or pre-market or anything like that. Now, I think it would be good. Like, think about this with me. Yes, my big holdup is, like, people are going to get tempted on the way up, right? So if it's moving up very slowly, if we see $100, $200 a share, $300 a share, and people are tempted all the way up, I think that's going to, promote a lot of profit taking. But, dude, if it shoots from, $10 or $20 a share all the way up to $3,000 a share in like seconds, well, that's perfect, because people aren't going to be tempted. I'm worried about the temptation. I'm worried about the temptation of people seeing money that they've never seen before, life-changing money. It won't do that, Clay. What, you're talking short or fast? But I'm worried about the temptation of people taking profits, on the way up. I know, Craig, but that's what I'm saying. That would be ideal if it did. But, all right, thank you. Bye. I think it would be, more beneficial that way, because the temptation to me is what's holding me back from these crazy numbers. No sell below 600, hands down, man. I'm all for. Listen, 600. I believe that 600 is easily realistic. I believe 600 is easily realistic. Yeah, guys, I want you to watch the channel and I want you to do all that, but hey, if you don't want to watch, what am I going to do? Am I going to do like the hedge funds did me and kidnap you and make me watch? No, I'm not going to do that. So, come on now. And then down 20%. Craig, it will be very, very volatile. I know. If you're trading stop losses, if you got trailing stops or anything like that, it is going to be very volatile. Okay, if you're looking at Doge and you think Doge is crazy, hitting 60 cents and going back down to 50 cents and then back up to 55 cents, like, come on. Weebler Fidelity. Alan, very good question. Anybody that has a similar question can use the link in the description below to sign up for Weeble. Deposit $100, get a couple free stocks, sell those stocks, buy AMC, hold AMC, and then squeeze it together with us, right? That's my answer on that, man. I don't have a problem with Fidelity as a broker, but I'm going to promote Weeble, right? I don't have a Fidelity link, so I'm going to promote Weeble. Future will hold Clay Bro and Chandler Bro live. Chandler Bro because of Matt Perry, or what are we talking about here? Hi, everyone. What's up, Raul? Does days to cover indicate length of the squeeze? That is a very good indication of the length of the squeeze. Yes, but you need to keep in mind, like, So we had, what was volume today? Roughly 35 million shares traded today. So if you're using about 100 million, roughly 3 days to cover. That means at today's volume, it would take them 3 days to cover all of their reported shares outstanding. Knowing that, when the squeeze happens, volume is drastically going to rise, or theoretically should drastically rise, because people are selling those shares. Now, I would like to see the price going up, but nobody's selling those shares. And you're going to know that by how many shares are being traded, and that's volume. Volume is going to be a good indicator of that. But, if you see volume at 1 billion shares, then yes, you can, I don't want to say it's safe to assume that the hedge funds have covered their positions, but it's possible that they covered their positions. Fidelity, Webull, Robinhood, let me buy option, making good money. Hey, man, yeah, and you don't, listen, I don't have anything against any broker like that. Obviously, I don't like some of the stuff that Robinhood does, but, all brokers are different, and really, in some respect, they're all the same as well. So, I'm just going to promote Webull. When there's margin call, do they have to cover all the shares that they borrowed or some of it? Sorry, complete. No, you're good, man, you're good. And it depends how it would come out, right? So, if they get margin called, they have to make sure that they maintain whatever their margin requirements are with the lenders. So I don't think that they would necessarily have to cover all of their positions, especially if you're talking about positions in different stocks. Like, as long as they maintain adequate risk ratios with their lenders, they're not going to be margin called, or they're going to be okay with their margin balance. Takes the market by surprise. The margin call, right? Is that what you're saying? Sorry, missing some of these guys, but thank you. Anybody in the comments here, that if I miss one because I start talking or whatever and I miss a comment and you know the answer, you want to jump in and help somebody else out, please do. Because I want to promote a space where anybody can ask any question they want, regardless of whether you're brand new noob or you know more than me. I want to make sure that people know what goes on. Squeeze happens randomly. Takes 5 days. Yeah, roughly 5 days to transfer. Started Friday. Yeah, that's not bad, Matt. That's not bad. That's only 3 business days then. Beachfront property. They know, Tasha. They know you're setting yourself up for the squeeze. And they're like, what can we sell this girl before she really hits this squeeze? Let's put some beachfront property on her. Did I shut down Reddit today? Yes, guys, that was me. I have the power to shut down Reddit, and I was like, that's enough. That's enough. We got to shut down Reddit for today. So I was like, we'll get it down for about 20 minutes or so. So if anybody out there wants to say that was me, please, go ahead. I would like, that would be pretty cool though, wouldn't it? Webull does Doge. Yes, Webull does Doge. Shareholder meeting moved to July. Yes, it was. What is my little, what? It was down, my little tree purple. Hopefully my little tree purple is a name. I don't know, because if not, that's one that I don't get. You're the reason why AMC pushed back to July. Robert, is that what they're saying now? That was probably me too. What I did, guys, is I closed Reddit, and then when I got on AMC's website and said, yeah, let's just go back to July. Weird question, how why? I don't know, man, 5-10. It's not that weird, right? Thoughts on hedges using dark pools? Yeah, hedges use dark pools all the time, man. I don't think it. I personally don't like dark pools. I would rather see everybody trading on the same front. I can understand why dark pools were initiated, but I don't think that hiding trades from anybody is a good idea. Nice. Some of these comments, guys, I don't know. I miss them. It's good thing push because more synthetic shares to be accounted now. Yeah, guys. I think my view on synthetic shares might differ from a lot of people's views on synthetic shares. I think I'm going to do a video. Matt, if I do a video on synthetic shares tonight and I explain what synthetic shares are and the potential of all of that stuff, you think that would be a good idea, or do you think people would just hate me? Because I think it's something that I need to be focused on when I explain my viewpoint on that. And I think it would be decent for somebody to, look at synthetic shares in a way that, isn't so conspiracy tied. You'll get an email. No. No, bro, I'll tell you about it. Like 5:10, Ebony. Like 5:10. Announced earnings for AMC is still on for Tuesday. No, as far as I know, that's still on for Thursday after the market close, right? Well, who the heck knows now? They're just going to be changing stuff last minute. Why not change the earnings report as well? Why not bring on the education? That's what I'm thinking. Matt can email me afterwards or before. I don't know, but Matt can hold me accountable in that. I just think it's a lot of people worry a lot about synthetic shares, but guys, synthetic shares are, hedge funds using options to create the same thing as a share, like the fact that they can just use it as a derivative to collect the same sort of gain that they would if they actually held shares. And then, yes, they can short sell and naked short stocks, but very, very, I know a lot of the stuff, and people are going to hate me for saying, but I really don't think that synthetic shares are that big of a concern to votes in this type of stuff. Nice, Matt. Seen it too, Blaze. Man, I missed what Blaze said. Sorry. And Lucy, whatever Lucy said, I hope so too, Lucy. I like Lucy. Lucy always comments on the videos. Lucy's, I don't know. I want to know who the first person to always like my videos are. Because, guys, I post these videos, and then immediately, before I can even, reload the page, somebody likes it. And I'm like, dang, man. You, Ramsey? Juan? I'm like, man, these guys are fast. Daniel, too. You guys, you have to get, it's strange to me because that notification has to hit so much faster than I give it credit for, because before I can even reload the YouTube studio, it's 79th like. There you go, Robert. There you go. Aren't they an IOU? Yeah, they're sort of like an IOU, but you guys, you have to be a registered owner to get a vote, and people aren't out there creating synthetic shares and becoming registered owners and stuff like that and getting their votes counted. So I don't know. I want to do a video on that today, and I know it's going to get a lot of flack because it goes against a lot of the conspiracies that are out there on Reddit. But look, man. Be patient, guys. The squeeze is going. Yes, Ebony, the squeeze is coming. Bots love bots. Joseph loves bots. Me too. When the bots are promoting my name, I guess they say any press is good press, but bots, man. I mean, you got bots surrounding your name. I don't know. Clay Bro, JT Wisco, what's up? Get the certification for your shares. Yeah, Tasha, if you do that and you don't have to go through a proxy and all of that stuff, I don't think that people are out there creating synthetic voting rights. 150 account, I like your picture meets one. They're not synthetic likes. Nice. Those are real likes from all 100 accounts. Thank you very much. Do I think it'll squeeze this month? Listen, I think it could squeeze this month. I don't know if it's necessarily going to squeeze this month. I don't think we have everything in place for it to squeeze this month. But it doesn't mean that it can't. Doja's at 56 right now? Or you got Doja 56? Yeah, man, I read that one. I read a very long post about that one, Matt. I don't know if that's necessarily true or not. That's the stuff I'm talking about, man. People read that and they're like, oh, dang, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. That's a really good idea. And it feeds into that hope that that's what they want to happen. But I don't know if that's necessarily good. Any news on the guy flying the AMC banner around New York City? No, I have no news on that. If anybody else does, let me know. Hermie speaking so cute. Marcia. No. Yes, I was speaking Portuguese yesterday, Marcia. You should have responded. Fractional shares sold as synthetic shares. Okay. But that wouldn't create voting rights. Nice. Ross, você também, perfeito. But we got to keep it English. We got to keep it English, guys, because not everybody in here speaks Portuguese, right? Ebony, I speak English. 100 likes, Clay skincare. What? Clay skincare routine video, guys. No, there is no skincare. Interesting. Amy, what does this mean? What does this mean? Yeah, the skincare routine is non-existent. So you don't even have to get me to a certain amount of likes. If you get to 100 likes, maybe I'll start a skincare routine. But as of now, the skincare routine is like synthetic shares. They just don't exist. Yo, Clay, the Magic's trying to push people out. We just buy more. Luca, exactly right, man. Exactly right. Matt speaks Spanish. He's got a cat in his pants. Nice. Speak English. I speak English, guys. He's cultured. What is really up with this guy? Nobody really knows. Can a squeeze take as long as a week? Freddie, it can take as long as a week, absolutely. If we don't see a huge run up in volume. Ross, por que você fala português? Who knows? In Spanish, supposedly. Nobody really knows. Who are you, Clay? I don't know, guys. Maybe I'm a bot. Did anybody think about that? Maybe I'm actually a bot. And those aren't bots out there. Those are actually like my little minions. They go out and post on Reddit things and different people's YouTube comments and stuff like that. Say it's bot. Clay is a bot. Clay is a bot. I should Clay bot, not Clay bro. I misspelled my name. I just knew. Yes. It's strange. Very strange. I should change my name to Clay Bot, not Clay Bro, right? What was I thinking? Or Bot Bro. Which one's better, Clay Bot or Bot Bro? Who knows? A bot sent from the future to warn all of you that the actual price target is 80,000, not 100,000. I was sent. You are correct. I am like the Terminator. I am a bot sent from the future to warn you. Don't hold out to 100. Hold out to 80. That's where you really need to hold out to if you want to experience the most profit potential. Yes, keep that in mind. You know what Reddit? I don't know what Reddit says about me. I saw some posts earlier saying like this Clay Bro dude is sus. It wasn't even me. It's clearly evident by the guy in the photo. That wasn't even me. Hammer, what? So like, who can teach me another language? You can learn another language pretty easily. The language of money. Clay, on a website I heard that you were long lost Jonas brother. Yes, Nick, Joe. What the heck is my other brother's name? Oh, crap. What's my other brother's name? Nick, Joe, and who? Almost Meninas de Favelas. Nice. What is my other brother's name? Nick, Joe Jonas, and who? How do I not know? Everyone forgets to say, it's me. It's me. Is it Kevin? It's not Chad. Is it Kevin Jonas? Kevin? Okay. Okay, Kevin. Yeah. All right. Well, Nick, Joe, Kevin, and Clay. Jonas. Man, I don't know where these people come up with this stuff, saying that I'm a long-lost Jonas. Jonas bot, I guess. Jonas bro? Clay Jonas? I don't even know. Rocky. Adam. No, it's not Adam Jonas. Oh, man. Yes, Nasty. Get us back in focus, Nasty, right? Aaron. Adam Aaron. Sing it, man. One day. Hey, didn't the Jonas Brothers have a song where they like came back to the future or back from the future or the year 3000? I'm the Jonas from the year 3000. Yes, Clay Bronis. Hands down, I like it. We don't want to focus. We're frustrated. It's cool, Ross. We don't need to focus. If we don't want to focus, we don't have to focus, right? What's my average in AMC? A little bit above 9. Clay Griffin. Yep. Could be. Clay Griffin coming back from the future to warn you guys. Are we talking about my skincare routine or are we still just trying to get back on topic here? Rubbing lotion. Yeah, I think we're trying to get back on the skincare routine, but the skincare routine is non-existent, right? What price am I going to sell at? I don't know about trading. Like I say, I'm from the year 3000. What price am I going to sell at? Very, very hard to say what price I'm going to sell at. But look, I will say this. When it squeezes, I don't have a price target in mind. I know a lot of people would like 100,000, but when it squeezes, you're going to know it squeezes because the price is going to start shooting up, right? If I see volume get realistic or get like ridiculously high, I'm talking 500 million, a billion shares being traded, I'm going to be very likely to, watch for a dip, watch for a pullback, and move ahead accordingly, knowing that they could have covered at that point. Clay Brodenator. That's like the Terminator Clay Bro. I like it. Oh, man. Amy, I missed what Ebony said. Sorry, guys. We all have an opinion. To anyone betting against this stock, I hope you have a telescope, because, yes, it's going to go all the way to the moon. I hope so. Does your profit come from how many shares? Or how much? What do you mean? Profit comes from taking the price you buy it at, how much you initially invest, and then how much it's worth when you sell it. Clay Brown. Yes, Clay Brown. I like it. Do I like Waffle House? I think I've only been to Waffle House like 1 or 2 times. All buyback. Guys, these are the slogans. These are the slogans that need to be on Reddit. Not this bot stuff that's like, well, guys, Clay Bro's a very smart guy. He says to go ahead and sell at $100. Put your price target at $100, and it's never going to reach higher than that. This is the kind of stuff that needs to be on Reddit. Maybe somebody might actually like me. Clay just said buy Waffle House stock. Did I say that? I love how everybody jumps in. Well, there are paid bots and shows. Yeah, well, here, I'm not paying any bots, and nobody's paying me. So with that being known, next time you see a bot say, Claybro's a really smart guy, maybe you should just sell it $100. Just be like, no, the Claybronator said all buy back. The Claybronator, all buy back. God, that was horrible. Please nobody do anything with that. Just ignore that happened. Hedge fund bots. Yeah. When should it be on sale, guys? We need to do that water bottle thing with the water brodel and the water super sticker. And then every time somebody sends a water sticker, paying the clay bot. Stop paying the clay bot, Blackjack. No. We don't want to pay the clay bots. Unless it's a good clay bot saying like all buy back. I like it. AMC going on a rocket. But thank you very much, Blackjack. Thank you very much. You should come out with some comedy skits on how to believe the hedge funds. Guys, here's the thing with that. Like, I swear I'm not funny. So, like, my comedy skits would be extremely awkward. And they'd be like how everybody expects Elon Musk to act at Saturday Night Live. Like, yeah, it might be a good idea, but stick to people hating you, man. Don't post that kind of stuff. Marcia, hey. Bomb. Ah, man, I missed it. Leave for vacation, Puerto Rico, May 10th. Watch the squeeze while I'm on vacation. We'll hold out for you. Luca, we'll hold out for you. If it squeezes May 10th, man, when are you going to get back from vacation? We'll make sure that we draw the squeeze out at least long enough for you to get out of your shares. Am I going to replace you? This dude, his name's Claybro's Kia Forte. Claybro, more about me video. What? May 15th. All right, we're going to hold out at least until May 15th, Luca. If it starts to squeeze from May 15th or May 10th to May 15th, we'll hold out. No, Claybro's Kia Forte. I'm not going to replace you after the squeeze. I might, we might add to the collection, but I'm not going to replace you. You are the daily driver until you dust out, man. No capital gains. Yeah, just don't come back from Puerto Rico. Luca, don't come back from Puerto Rico. Oh, man. One that Sorry, I just heard somebody yelling outside. What's the verdict on voting AMC equity stake increase? Listen, I don't know if it's necessarily a good thing that we're delaying the votes here. Man, I don't know. People are going to be upset at my video tonight. I just don't think it's a good idea. He heard me. I found him. No, Matt. No, it might have been Matt. Exactly, Alex. Exactly. Leclerc, bro. Stocko. I like that one better than Clay Bots, though, guys. Come on now. All right. Well, look. Let's discuss this, okay? Because then it might make for a little bit of a better video tonight. And Matt, if Bob's still in here, or Crone, whatever his name is, some of the guys that disagree with me, what do you think? Because let's just discuss this before I go post a video on it and everything tonight. All right, so I've read through a lot of the stuff on why they would delay the stock vote and all of that. I doubt Crom's here, man. He don't hang around. He just comes in to tell me you don't like me and then moves on. But, I've read a lot of the stuff on the stock vote and why they would reschedule the vote and stuff like that, and how a lot of people think it's to expose synthetic shares and all of that. But look, in the video tonight, I want to go through a couple different things. Like, one, different types of synthetic shares. Options, trading, buying and selling call and put options at the same time creates a synthetic share. Now, a synthetic share just means it tracks the price of the share. So you don't actually have to go out and buy the share to mimic investing in that share. So synthetic shares, you can do synthetic shorts if you're buying the puts and selling the calls. You can do synthetic longs if you're buying the calls and selling the puts. That is a way to create synthetic shares. A lot of those shares have nothing to do with the actual shares out there. They don't affect the share price the way buying and selling and shorting actual shares would be. Now, I know a lot of people think, short selling and naked shorting. Elon might be an alien, man. You get to the Elon's level, you got to have some extraterrestrial in you. So I would think that that might cause a lot of confusion when people are talking about synthetic shares. Now, when you're talking about shorting and naked shorting and stuff like that, and being like affecting a vote in a negative way, like multiple shares voting on the same registered user, I don't think that that's the case, okay? I don't think that that's the case. Even if so say a hedge fund has the same share, and that share is registered with AMC Corporation, right? They have one owner registered to that share. Even if the hedge fund went out and shorted that position and then shorted it again to somebody else, AMC still only has one registered holder. So worst case scenario, you would get 2 votes coming in, and this is worst case scenario, right? Because if everything is being tracked as it should be, then you're going to get 1 vote per share. A lot of people are thinking that these synthetic shares are going to cause multiple votes to come in. But in reality, let's say that the proxy holder, your broker, the hedge fund, whoever sold you the position, gets 2 votes for that share. All they're going to do is have one of those votes cancel out the other and send that back. It's one vote per registered shareholder. So very difficult to see how a vote would in any way affect shares outstanding, or seeing the shares outstanding that are coming in with the votes that way. Exactly, man. Exactly. But, Alex, sorry, addressing that question, a lot of people are out there. And here's the thing, man. I don't want people to get hopeful in something that isn't true. I would rather you be more conservative on the side and err on the side of caution than err on the side of unrealistic expectations or hopes and then really get burnt. A lot of people are thinking that he did it to expose hedge funds and all of this stuff. Personally, in my opinion, the only reason you would reschedule a vote is because you saw the results and you didn't like the results. You're going to go ahead and redo it knowing that new people are holding these shares now. Is this speculation? That last one was speculation on my part. The other stuff was not speculation. The other stuff was, synthetic shares. Why is my water bottle doing that? Yeah, but look, a lot of people are really relying on that to talk about that. You're not going to be able to you're not going to be able to get a count or get an understanding of how many synthetic shares are out there. And really, the synthetic shares caused or created by buying and selling call and put options at the same time. Blackjack, that's listen, I do want it to be a little bit controversial, but I don't want it to be, dude, I mean, I'm not trying to spread bud or anything like that, right? I'm not trying to do anything like that. Yes, Daniel, it is like synthetic oil. There's no more oil left, so they created oil. So there's no more shares left, so they created synthetics. Claybot, what's your next mission? Claybot, your next mission is to go out and make sure that I have 13,000 subscribers by the end of the day. Share this video with somebody who will subscribe. And that should remind all of you in here, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please make sure to click that subscribe button, join us, become a bro. Can't fall on there. Man, I missed that one. Martin, did you look up those lyrics? Please tell me you looked up those lyrics. Yeah, man, listen, but a lot of people construe it as fun because they stick around for like the first 3 minutes of the video and then they just like take off. No Clay Bronus. No way. Everyone can. Matt, that's true, man. That is true, Matt. A lot of people, and look, dude, I'm open-minded in the fact that I hope it reaches $100,000 a share. I'm not closed-minded because I know it can happen. But a lot of people are closed-minded to think that it has to reach $100,000 per share or something. That's exactly right, Blackjack. It hasn't changed from whole. No. Just sub, bro. Nice, Ma. Thank you. If anybody else, just click that subscribe button. Let me know. I'll shout. Oh, man. Do I believe synthetic shares are going to affect this squeeze that they have to be bought over and over? So, look, listen. That comes down to what type of synthetic share we're talking about. If we're talking about synthetic shares being created by buying and selling put options at the same time, no, that's not going to affect the squeeze because that's only talking about shares that are created, to track the performance of the underlying share. It's not an actual share. Now, if they went out and they shorted, let's say we have, share A here and hedge fund A here shorted this same share like 6 times, that would be naked shorting and stuff like that. And yeah, they're responsible. If they loaned that share out and they shorted that share 6 times, they are responsible for going and picking that up and covering that share 6 times. But like stuff like that, a lot of people are speculating that it's going to be caught up in the vote and you're going to be able to see that. That's not the case. Like this up for Clay. Thank you, Thomas. Like this up. You see, flyer than a kite, I get higher than Rapunzel. What? And I saw Jeremy said, "What's up? What's up, Jeremy? How you doing? You think naked shorted is going on?" Listen, yeah, it probably is going on, but unless you're looking at like failure to delivers and stuff like that, I don't know, man. Yes, it still goes on. Clearly, it's illegal, but I don't know. Very difficult to say what extent it's going on to and all of that stuff. I still try to believe the hedge funds are smart, but I know that they're arrogant at the same time too. Like you don't control hundreds of billions of dollars and not have some sort of complex about yourself, right? So yeah, man, they know at the same time that they know what they're doing is wrong with that stuff. Okay, it takes Bitcoin. I don't even know what that means. If you want to send me a Bitcoin, you can send me a Bitcoin. It's gonna be very difficult to do that. Do hedgies wear shorts? Hedgies absolutely wear shorts. Yes, they're wearing shorts right now. I know, right? When I panic, I buy more. Good strategy, Ebony. Hedgies wearing diapers. Oh, Richard's laughing at something, but I don't know what he's laughing at. I bought 30 more today. Nice, Wills. Nice. Buying on discount. Me too. Bought more. A lot of people bought more today. I love it. Do I have GME? Listen, I don't have any GME in my portfolio. No, I don't have any GME. I probably, I don't know. I'm more focused on AMC than I am GME, but even if AMC doesn't squeeze. Lonnie with the super chat. What is the vote for? Lonnie, well, there is no vote just yet. So with this new vote, let's talk about this real quick, guys. With the rescheduling of the vote, if you didn't, I think it was March 19th maybe, I might be mixing that date up, but if you didn't own shares on March 19th, you didn't get to vote in the one that was scheduled for today. Now, if you were a shareholder on record as of, I believe it's June 2nd, please correct me if I'm wrong on that date, but I believe it's June 2nd. So if you own AMC as of June 2nd, you will be able to vote at the new upcoming shareholders meeting. And you will be able to vote up to, I think it's July 29th, okay, the very end of July. That's when they rescheduled the AMC shareholder meeting for. So I don't know exactly what's on the vote at this time, if they're reinstating the 500 million shares or if it's going to be the exact same vote that we voted on before. But this time around, like say you did sell your shares of AMC, say you were able to vote in the last one, but then you sold your shares of AMC and you no longer have those shares, you will not be able to vote in the upcoming election, right? Election, I don't know, whatever. You will not be able to vote for July 29th if you don't own shares on June 2nd, regardless of whether you owned them in March or not. You have to be a shareholder on record as of June 2nd. So make sure that if you have, if you want to buy one share before then, you get your share. Robinhood's good for options trades. Yeah, it could be, Alex. Yeah, Wills, go ahead, man. Guys, buy shares of AMC if you want. You don't have to send anybody any money. Yeah, but in favor of AMC, maybe. I may have missed a comment previous to that. It's tiring to watch for the squeeze. Or it's tiring waiting for the squeeze. Joey, it is tiring waiting for the squeeze, man. But imagine the vigor and the life you're going to have after the squeeze happens, right? Don't get tired waiting for it to happen. Don't do that. Just sit back and relax. I don't use margin, but it's super easy if you have over 2,000 in the account. What do they call it on Robinhood? Isn't it like Robinhood Gold or something? Yeah, don't get stressed. Dude, get stressed out when the squeeze happens. Don't get stressed out before the squeeze happens. And have your plan in place before the squeeze happens too, man. I don't really want you to get that stressed out. I want it to be a good stress. Bad stress and good stress. I want it to be a good stress. Got to trim up the chest hair. Dude, Daniel. True story. I do trim up the chest hair. Robinhood Gold, yeah. What if the Federal deliver the hedge fund companies have to do to account for those? Well, dude, I think that if they, get caught naked shorting, just there. Now, guys, now I got to come up real close so nobody can see the top of my hairline, and you can't see. I'm gonna start wearing turtlenecks or something so you guys can't see any of that. Gosh, man, pretty soon I'm gonna put like a piece of paper over the thing and over the camera, and it's just going to be me talking. We're just going to be hair sweater. It's just going to be a voiceover of a black screen. Martin, I am with Weeble. If anybody else would like to join Weeble, use the link in the description below. Your chest hair is fun. Amy, appreciate that. After Reddit mess up, gold and silver dropped. In my opinion, the shares, especially close to above. Not sure I understood that comment fully. Robinhood blows, market opens at 9. Yes, use Weeble if you like pre-market trading. Say it again, Crom. Oh, no, is Crom back? Hopefully Crom's got some good news. Nice, my man getting kind of... Yeah, Daniel. Nice. Thank you for bringing that up, then. Hey, I declared... Michael, Dick Sensei. That's not how you declare bankruptcy. You can't just yell out that you declare bankruptcy. Office is great, guys. Please, go watch The Office. If you're feeling stressed out about the AMC squeeze, go watch The Office. It'll take the tension off. Except I don't know where you watch it now. You can't watch it on Netflix. I declare it too! No, Hammer, not the way it happens, not the way it works. Can I watch my sporting? Samsung. Samsung phone, Samsung watch. Samsung tablet. Samsung laptop. Not a Samsung computer. Oh, no, not a Samsung TV, though. LG TV. It's on Peacock. We'll go watch it on Peacock, then. I do declare. Oh, crap. What was his name during that game? A game that they played? I do declare. Clay Bro, what's up, Matt? We got something? If I missed your comment, man, sorry. Say something. Hairline not moving, just getting more head. There you go, man. The hairline's not moving. My forehead's just growing. Open my eyes. My eyes are open. What's going on? Did I miss something? You're good for helping relax the tension of the trading day. Thanks for being here after hours. I appreciate it. Alex, I believe it's a good time, man, for everybody just to come in and hang out and, kind of rest with it. Hold. One more time, Crom. Yeah, Crom, one more time, man. I missed Crom's comment probably like 6 times, didn't I? Caleb Crawdad, yeah. Lonnie, did I miss something now, Lonnie? Hopefully not. Oh, no, 610 shares. Nice. Lonnie's got 610 shares of AMC. That's what I'm talking about. De-stress, yeah. AMC stresses me out, man. Need some good vibes. Good. Vin, you're in the right place. A lot of people might not think you're in the right place. They might showbro me all day long, but you're in the right place. Guys, you know by now, all 161 of you in here know by now that I'm not here stressing people out, right? Oh, nice, Lonnie. Averaging from 200 up to 610. I love it. This is it. Good vibe. Yeah, Tasha. Get that marinara for the stress. Yeah. Yeah, guys, people think that I stress other people out, but I'm not here to do that. I'm here to relieve the stress. False fruit bowl. What? Do not ignore. Marcia. What did I ignore? I'm sorry. If you're not a part of the bro fam, you're missing out. You want to know how to join the bro fam? Click that subscribe button. Become a bro. We're here every single day. We're growing our portfolios together. Finally made the stream. Caesar, good. Glad to have you here. Stressing me out, bro. No, hands down. Don't stress out. For real. Don't stress out. Been listening to my streams because no, don't miss my streams. But it's okay if you do. You can check them out later. Bros before bots. Bots, Richard. I see where you're going there. Bros before bots, right? Well, I miss bro. We need bro apparel. We do need bro apparel, yes. And we need some water brodles. What's Socks got going on? Shave the neck. What are you from Carolina? Sent with love. Like here? Dude, like if I shave here, it's just, I don't know, it starts to chin strap it and it gets a little weird and then like, man, I just do it all at once, you know? It's like it doesn't go that far down. I mean, from here down, you know, you got to shave in there because you don't want your beard connecting to your chest. You don't want that. That's like too much. When your beard starts to connect to your chest and it's like just all the way up, nah. You don't want none of that. Hopefully you guys agree with that, right? What do I use in my hair? Dude, the stuff I'm using in my hair right now, it smells like I'm flammable. It smells like if I lit a lighter too close to myself, I'd go up in flames. I had some other stuff that was pretty good, but Harry Adams apple, man. I feel like we lost focus again. At least I lost focus again. FaZe said something good, maybe. FaZe said something good. Let's get back to what FaZe said because AMC mystery topic. I don't even know what's going on anymore. Connect the beard to the chest hair. Dude, I could connect this beard to the chest hair in a week. Easy. Yak. Yes, yak. Getting nervous. I don't know what your calls were at. Sorry, I just barely read that. Sell one for 100,000. Mood Gang Apes. Let's go to the moon, guys. Let's go to the moon. What? Oh, Yeti bro. Get off his hair, guys. He spent all his money on AMC. Yeah. Clay Jonas. Is this the same Clay that was like Clay Bot and then Clay Jonas? Or are there like multiples? All right, Matt. My man back at it again. Thanks for clearing my head earlier, Matt. Sorry for tagging you earlier, Clay. Thanks for explaining yourself. Either I don't think you are as much a FUD spammer. Dude, good, man. I know people see a lot of stuff and then they come in here and think that that's not my intention, man. I don't ever want to. I like Clay's Kia, dude. You've never even seen my Kia. Gosh, yeah. I don't want anybody to think that I'm spreading FUD. I'm just trying to. I don't know. You might think I'm not bearish. Let's put it that way. I'm not bearish. I'm bullish. I might not just be as bullish as some other people, which I think is okay. I mean, I don't know. Clay's all good. He's a good person. Thank you, Ebony. At least I try to be a good person, right? Dude, you're good. Hey, Crum, Bob, whatever. Crone, you're good, man. You're good. That's what it's all about, man. Matt came here for the same reason. He was all upset about some poop emoji picture he saw about people saying that I was spreading FUD and stuff. But I hope everybody that sees those bot posts at least hangs out on the live stream or watches a full video or something like that. And at least I feel like in the live streams we can at least talk it out. You know what I mean? I know I'll miss some of your comments or whatever, but yeah, may bring attention to some real facts that people worry about. Yeah, dude. And look, I think it's okay to worry about the facts and stuff. Oh man, I never watched Rick and Morty. That's my bad. That's my bad, dude. It still doesn't help me. It still doesn't help me say it right. FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So true. I can see that, like, you know, if something that is actually going on makes somebody a little bit fearful, yeah, I guess I can see where people are thinking that's FUD, but, you know, it's still something that we should know about. It's still something that we should to be worried about. On sub until I watch Rick and Morty, like all of them, or I have to just like watch one of them. Turtleneck, smoke a pipe, grill pork chop, sideburns. Dude, I'm halfway there on the sideburns. Those would be easy. I do not own a turtleneck. I'd have to go out and buy one of those. Maybe from Goodwill or something. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Yeah, that's exactly right, man. And that's not what I'm trying to do. If you construe it that way, I can definitely see it because, you know, there are some things we should worry about. I don't think that it's going to be an easy battle. I don't think it's going to be an easy, you know, handover. Dare I see? I know, man. I know. I've never seen a single episode. I've seen memes and I've seen stuff like that, but I've never watched a single episode. If you get on here with a turtleneck, I'm unsubbing for real. Now I really want to. Oh my gosh. Could you imagine the memes that they'd be posting about me and how they'd be saying that I work for hedge funds if I came on here with a turtleneck? Yeah. What do I watch? Ebony, honestly, I do not watch that much TV. I might turn the TV on for like an hour from 8 to 9, and I really have not watched that much TV. Robe, pipe, pork chop, sideburns. Dude, I can make it happen. I can make it happen. Watches Outer Banks. Dude, I did watch Outer Banks, man. I actually really liked that show. I don't know if they're on the second season yet, but that first season, dude, that's my jam. I like that treasure hunt. Anything about treasure? I like that treasure hunt. Grow unibrow. I could, but I don't know if it would show up. The Kia Forte needs to speak up. Maybe we should do it. Maybe the next stream should be from like the interior of the Kia. Filming next to your work. Is that true, man? Is that true? They're going to be filming that next to your work the next season? Man. Take your shirt off. I got a beater on underneath. Just to see more chest hair at that point. Don't. No joke, Outer Banks yet. Can you talk a bit about Dogecoin? Marcia, sim, vou falar sobre Dogecoin. Listen, I got into Dogecoin after the first initial run. Okay, but whatever. Haven't been holding as long as some people. Dude, I know some people that got in at a half a cent doing really well. Look, we tested that 60 cent level today, fell back a little bit. Dogecoin's I'm showing 56 cents right now. And absolutely, I think here's my opinion on Dogecoin, and here's what I see happening with Dogecoin. I believe there will be some volatility on the way. Here's I don't want to say advice. You can't say advice these days, right? Grow a handlebar mustache. Dude, I can agree. The mustache is the worst part. Like the mustache, once it gets to a certain level and I can feel it, I don't like it anymore. I got to shave it. I never get past that point. But look, Dogecoin hit that 60 cent mark. I really believe that Dogecoin is going to hit right around $1 one day, but I think that so many people are going to put their price targets at 99 cents and 98 cents that I don't know if it's going to crack $1. If you're looking for a price target on Dogecoin, I'd say lower to mid 90s is going to be safe. If you go full dollar, I think people are going to set it right below that, and you're going to see a pullback before you hit $1. I really do. I think that you're going to see a pullback before you hit $1. But I'm pretty happy with those right now. Nice, Matt. Nice. That is amazing. Am I wearing a brosier? Yes, I'm wearing a brosier under the hoodie, so I can take this hoodie off at any moment because I am fully brosiered. Gosh. The stuff that people come up with, I absolutely love it. I should start selling brosiers too, man. Come on. Anywhere you go, just take your hoodie off. You're wearing a brosier. You're good to go. I'm also on Doge, not as hard as AMC though. Yeah, there you, dude. But you're doing amazing on Doge, right? Got back. No, surprisingly, Daniel. Surprisingly, my back is. I don't want to say rather clean because I hope everybody's back is clean, but it's not the different deal than the front, right? Guys, we've been here for an hour and a half. Streams are lasting about an hour and a half these days. Do the Duck Dynasty beard. I think that would probably take too long. Here's the deal. If you're still in here, we got 109 likes, 125 people in here. When the likes get above the amount of people in here, we can end the stream for today. Because look, and give me your feedback real quick on that video for tonight. I really do want to know because I want to talk about that in the video. I think it's something to address. So how can I address that in a way that's not going to get me blown up and more emojis put on my head? Marcia, no? No, Marcia? Just be patient with AMC. That's right. 100,000s of what? Dogecoin? Raffle off a sticker or shirt. I should raffle off a sticker or shirt. Grow nice unibrow. Man, it's like, there's a little in there, but it's... Marcia? No, I don't think it's Marcia. If she's Brazilian, it's Marcia. Marcia. Marcia? Marcia. Yeah. Davis or Marcia. Doge, there you go. Doge gave to the capital by AMC. I like it. I like it. Martin. Yeah, Martin, I wasn't trying to say your name. But I get a hair transplant. Never, man. I love my hair. Come on now. I think people should make Claybro wigs for Halloween. Maybe I should sell this for Halloween. People can get a Claybro wig. Like, you know, people say receding hairline or whatever. Big forehead. Nice hair going on. Yeah. Expect those. October 2021. Weeble. You can buy Dogecoin on Weeble, Phase. Use the link in the description below. Claybro toupee. Yes. 5 head. That's what we could call it. It could be a $5 5 head. Nice wig for Halloween. You guys could all dress up as Claybro. Just wear a hat. Now, I need to make a bro hat first. I'm not going to rep another one. Marcia. Very good. Good. Means you bring some tendies for the what? Dip? What would I do? What wouldn't I do for a Klondike bar? Nasty? Come on now. What wouldn't I do? Richard hopes not, but I don't see what he's hoping not. Oh, he's going to buy 2,000 more below 9. Nice. 120 shares. Hey. Dude, if you get 120 shares of AMC and AMC goes to 1,000, 120,000, man, that you could get debt-free, and being debt-free would change your life. So don't think that you can't change your life on 100 shares of AMC. Come on. What would I do? What wouldn't I do for a Klondike bar? It's been quite a while. Ebony's curious about what? The Klondike bar? I missed it. Sorry. Sipping the bottle like it's tequila. No, it's water, man. It's water, Fruit Bowl. We should all get these bro bottles coming soon. Okay? Kia Forte lift kit. No Kia Forte lift kits. Not even for a Klondike bar. That would just be weird. I'm glad you know, Matt. I'm glad Matt knows too. Yes, tendies, please. Tendies, please. All right, guys, look. 110 people in here. I don't know how many people subscribe to the channel. Here's the deal. How does it feel? Feels amazing. It feels like this. That's how it feels to chew 5 gum. I don't know where you guys come up with all this stuff. Here's the deal. Make Claybro wigs. I should make Claybro wigs. It's definitely coming October 2021 for Halloween when it goes past 2K. That's when you get your... That's when you get a Klondike bar when it goes past 2K. I'm so lost. Here's the deal, guys. We're ending for now. I'm going to get that video out later tonight. Share it with somebody and let them know. This dude, he might have a different opinion than you. give away a bro bottle. Tasha, I'm not going to give away my bro bottle, but I should do a bro bottle giveaway and then see the kind of interest. You know, a lot of people say, oh, I want a bro bottle, but yeah, definitely won't if it's free. But well done. Just subscribe. Thank you, Barry. But no, I'm going to do some bro bottles pretty soon. This is a prototype. My sister made this one with the sticker. So this is a prototype. Take care, Clay Brony. You take care too, Daniel. You take care too. Discount code CYBER. Yes. All right, look, here's the deal. Signing off, but here's what we're saying. If you see some bots on Reddit, by bro, by Ebony, make sure... Listen, guys, I don't care if people talk crap on Reddit or whatever. Let them talk crap. But just know, I'm not the bot. I am a bot. Yes, we love you, Clay, bro. Thank you, Scott. I'm not the bot. I am not a bot. I don't think I'm a bot. I guess I wouldn't know if I was a bot. But, hey, Clay, bro, thanks, man. Thanks, Joey. Thanks, everybody, for showing up. Yeah, I don't know. Don't be afraid to say, no, Clay Bro is a bot, but he's not a bad bot, okay? Bye, Clay Bot. Yeah, Clay Bot. Yeah, man, you can let him know. Clay Bro might be a bot, but he's not a bad bot, all right? And yeah, he likes to say some stuff that not everybody agrees with, but okay, he doesn't agree with everybody either. All of that, if you have not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That's what it's all about. We're here every single day. Absolutely, Crom. Absolutely. Hope you have a good day, man. I know you're on the Reddit too, so let those guys know what's going on. Adios, amigo. Adios, Lucy. Later, Brat. Later, Brat. I love it. Very nice, Alex. Bros and bots out. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If we're leaving and you haven't clicked that like button yet, make sure to click the like button. I will get a video out a little later tonight, and watch it, share it, do whatever you want. Click that like button on it. You guys know the drill by now. I will see each and every one of you guys later. Have an awesome day. Bye, guys.